it's Ed. We're out here at the September Caffeine and Octane. Lots of beautiful cars out here. It's a beautiful day in Atlanta. I think it's about to start raining in South Florida, but we're going to have a look around and see what we can find. They only made 250 of these Gallardo Bicolores in 2011 and 12. I sold 5 or 6 of them. 3 of them were orange, but I didn't sell this one new. But to me, that's one of the best looking, cleanest Gallardos they ever made. Hey guys, this is Kevin Bandy. He's one of the original developers that worked on the VINwiki app. He does a lot of fun things around cars, including instructing at the new Porsche headquarters, but also a lot of technical things that I don't understand, but very much appreciate. So, Kevin, tell me about your latest project.
Yeah, so I picked up a 2017 Toyota 86. It's a really fun car. If you just go down the list of the lightest weight performance rear-wheel drive cars in the market, it's one of the lightest. So it means tires are cheap, brakes are cheap, and it's fun, it's sporty, and responsive. It's all about track time for me with that car, and it's perfect on the water.
Excellent, excellent. Lots of beautiful stuff out here. Right behind us, we've got a Heritage Edition Ford GT, obviously creeping up on $500,000, these cars. Originally, totally sale-proof. You could not get rid of them, but they have obviously emerged as clear collector cars. And I do love the color combination. Nobody wanted it originally, and now they've got actually several different Heritage packages on the new GT. But there's something exceptionally awesome about this one that I'll show you. It's license plate. Look at that. 4Ed GT. Must be for me. Look at these. There's not much cooler than a fast Volvo wagon. We've got several V70Rs out here. Super, super cool. Han Solo in the driver's seat. These are awesome electric cars now. Creeping up in value. Just about as cool as you can get for a practical car. All right, so they have his and hers stick Volvo R's. So this is the 60, the 70, and they have the coolest looking shifter you'll ever see, except for a gated Lamborghini shifter. But they are awesome. But you said you just bought this one?
This is the third weekend we've had it.
Okay, all right. Where'd you find it?
He found it on Facebook.
A great place to shop for a good car.
We found it sitting in Waffle House at about 6 o'clock that evening.
All good car stories have a Waffle House involved.
Messaged his buddy at about 8, hey, you want to go on an adventure if I buy the plane tickets? By 9 o'clock, had plane tickets for him and his buddy. They flew out 6:20 the next morning. Got there, bought the car at about 3-hour time, and drove it straight back, got in about 7:15 Sunday.
That's it. You can't trust the car shipper. You got a road trip at home.
The guy said, he goes, do you want to look it over and stuff like that? And I said, I'm 1,000 miles from home. I'm committed at this point. So,
but it made it home.
Oh, it was great. It ran great. 120 gets a little wiggly, but...
Well, you got to find out where it gets wiggly.
It does 80 down Peachtree Industrial. Perfect.
Well, there you go. I think that's the speed limit on Peachtree. Yeah. So we got to hear about your wagon, and I don't mean this judgmentally because many of my cars are similarly adorned, but I noticed it has some dents on it, and usually dents have good stories.
Yeah, little couple dings, needs a new hood, that kind of stuff. So I'm talking to the guy, and it does have a salvage title, and I'm asking, I said, well, what's the story behind it? Because it doesn't show any wrecks on the Carfax. He goes, well, the girlfriend found out the guy was cheating. So he comes out and all the glass had been broken out. So all the glass has been replaced except for one back panel. And you can tell that it had been rained in from that stuff.
Yes.
So your other story we were talking about, mistresses or extra cars. I'm thinking extra cars.
Extra cars is a better plan. Yeah, don't cheat, or else. But a great salvage. If you're gonna have a branded title, branded from girlfriend vandalism, it's like as good as it gets. If somebody goes full Carrie Underwood on a car, it's still gonna drive fine.
Right, great.
Absolutely. So absolutely perfect. I love it. So congratulations. You got the special.
Thank you, buddy. Keep it up, man.
In both ways. This is Alex. You'll recognize him of all of our lovely valet fails with two of his fantastic cars, his Murcielago and his newly acquired 360 Spider.
Absolutely.
I gotta say, I love it. How many miles are on it now? That's exactly right. A lot. And that is how it
in the
should
garage.
be.
I drive this one.
Excellent. I love the new Stradale bumper.
Definitely fills in the front.
It does. I love it. I mean, to me, the 360, when I was at such an impressionable age, was the coolest thing that existed, and it's still hard for me to think that anything on earth is prettier.
Absolutely.
I think this 944 is painted Lamborghini Verde Artemis, one of my favorite Lamborghini colors. I actually ordered for inventory the only Verde Artemis Gallardo that got delivered into the US. It was the 40th anniversary Murcielago color from 2003, and I absolutely love it. Let's check it out. It's got the Omar drift brake in it as well. You gotta love it. Lots of new GT cars. Last year, Porsche sold more GT 911s than they did regular 911s. So just amazing how many you see, especially at an event like this. Hey guys, this is Bruce. He's the person responsible for all of this. He also produces the Caffeine and Octane TV show. What's the latest with the show?
We're actually filming today. This is the final day of filming for season number 4. And season will premiere beginning September 10th
On NBC Sports.
NBC Sports.
Excellent. Be sure to check it out.
Yeah, awesome.
So you guys have heard of the Bitcoin Lambo. This is the Bitcoin race car. This is Peter, one of the founding VINwiki team members, and his Radical.
Absolutely. This is it. We brought it here today. I'm so happy that I actually made it.
That's right.
And the reason is because I took back roads, which is safe.
Yes.
But then I lost power right here. Like the iron
Electrical power or mechanical?
mechanical.
Okay.
Yep, so I literally drifted in here and the Porsche guys were like, why are you coming in here? And I'm like, because the car's in this.
Okay.
So
we're towing it home?
So we made it here successfully in the race car, but we're probably going to be towing it home. So,
Right.
because race car, right? Because race car.
This morning we rolled down 400 with this crew of Vipers. Always great to see. I love the snakeskin green one. I actually sold a 2008 snakeskin green Viper SRT10, and we took the guy on a mountain drive. He drove great, had a lot of fun, and got all his confidence built up. And he ended up that night, after he left the gym, spinning it out and crashing into a telephone pole in the middle of the road. So unfortunately, that one is no more, but that one's very pretty.
What's going on?
Look what the cat drag did.
I'm telling you, all over South Carolina. Everybody goes Caffeine Octane.
You have to, absolutely. Rob Pitts, ladies and gentlemen, Rabbit in the flesh. Why don't you walk him around and show him some of your favorite cars here?
Man, I tell you what, there's all kinds of my favorite cars here. I don't know what ends already showed you guys, but I want to tell you something that caught my eye. Keep in mind, my dad was a drag racer, so I love vintage drag racing stuff. I love the old school rap truck. This is cool, but what's even cooler is the Dixie Twister funny car behind it. So funny story with it. That's Houston Platt. He has a brother, Herbert Platt, who raced Fords. And both were very successful. Really big in the Southeast, Atlanta, all that good stuff. I actually do some work in the Southeast gas station. You guys come out and do exhibition runs and stuff. It's a lot of fun. The thing you gotta understand, restoring a classic truck, like a half-ton truck to one thing, restoring one of these, people use these trucks. So these things were beat to death. So when you see one that's nice, you check it out. You don't see it all. Anybody that knows Rabbit knows I love C2 trucks. I've made a small fortune flipping these things over the years. And I'm going to tell you something. When a really nice one catches your eye, you stop and look. This 67 big backlash truck is something you definitely want to look at. Fuel injected small block Chevrolet air ride, Billet specialty wheels, super clean. Love the matte turquoise. And you'll get in here, you'll notice they actually did the clear coat and the shine under the hood with the matte finish on the outside. Absolutely killer. Check out the upholstery in this thing. TMI seats, can't beat it. I want to tell you something. Everybody knows I'm a sucker for a Corvette. I've got my 69 LT1 car that I just got. I want to tell you something. This 71 caught my eye. A lot of really neat touches to this one. You'll notice the flared fenders, flared quarters, the LT4 engine in it, 6-speed transmission. Note the late model Corvette mirrors. This is the best part of this car ever though, is these side pipes. They actually call them show tubes. The reason they call them show tubes, the factory side pipes had a heat shield across. I used to joke around with people all the time and say, I love show tubes. I don't like the factory side pipes. I don't want my side pipes with training wheels on. I'll take my burn like a man. This Corvette is a man in every sense of the word. This is bad news, kids. Now this right here is not typically something I'd go after, but I want to tell you something. I'm an OG in car sales. I'm an OG with these old cars. A 64 Impala with the bowling ball paint. This thing's got chips. It's rough as a night in jail, but I want to tell you something. This thing's hitting 7 switches, and well, you know the rest of that. But anyway, this is straight up cool. You talk about a cool cruiser, bending a corner on 3, and 6'4" Impala. This is straight out of Compton, kids. This is what I love right here. When you walk around a car show and you see something that brings back a memory. You see this? This is a 1958 Chevrolet truck. The thing that's really odd and really special to me about these trucks is I love big backlash trucks. These are extremely rare. But something I love, my dad learned to drive in a 58 Chevrolet truck that was actually painted orange that belonged to my uncle that bought it new. So it's kind of an old school hot rod that he learned to drive in. So whenever I see one, they're kind of close to the old pump station for Rabbit. And it's orange too. Laid down air ride on old school breakers with white letters, selfie, all that good stuff. All kinds of cool stuff. This thing right here, I'm gonna tell you something. I got a wad of cash in my pocket. I'm gonna try my damnedest to buy this thing here in a little bit.
Find some good stuff?
Man, I found a lot of good stuff. I got a little truck I'm gonna try to buy right now.
That sounds about right. I see you vandalized my car with one of
I
your
was going to tell you something. My face on the front of the Lambo. That's just helped the value.
Ain't no single mom, bad credit, grandma witches gonna buy a Lamborghini.
I'll tell you what, I think that's worse than a salvage title brand probably on a Lamborghini. But it's definitely a lot of fun here at Caffeine Octane. I'm gonna go get this. Of course, I gotta go get this truck bought and then we'll buy me some lunch.
That's what I'm talking about. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to subscribe.